Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I want to mod this controller. About a year ago I bought these two Sega Dreamcast Mad Catz controllers off eBay for €2, so €1 each. I was on the lookout for an alternative for the original Dreamcast controller because I don't like the original, not very much. This one is bigger and I think it's more comfortable to hold, for me at least. So this one is this nice clear lilac. Shoulder button here is broken, so I will replace this one with the good one here. And then I will try to make an afterglow mod on this, and I will not use single LEDs because I stumbled over these things here. These little LED thingies here. These are nice and flexible. I think they run on 3 volts. So I hope I will be able to find 3 volts somewhere here on the board. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So let's see. This should come apart. Yeah. Okay. I will give this a good wash in the sink. I do this off camera, because I think it's not very interesting. Let's get the PCB out. And here's another screw. So for the next part I have to plug it into my Dreamcast and check where I can siphon off some 3 volts. So my first guess would be somewhere here on these caps. Maybe here. Yeah, let's check that. Negative is here. Okay. So let's see what's here. So that's 5 volts. That's too much. What do we have here? 3.3 volts. Okay, that's not bad. I don't know if it's too much or not. Let's see what else we got. What do we have here? 3.3 as well. Okay, where is positive and negative? Okay, that's negative. So here is negative. Let's give it a try and put this on here and see if it lights up. You can see here the positive end has a little hole in it, the negative doesn't. So let's check. That's negative, that's positive. Oh yes, it lights up. So that's I take this here for one side and this here is on this end. So the thick trace is negative. Yes. Yes, it does light up. Cool. So now I know where I get my voltage from. It's from here, that's negative. And from down here, it's here, okay. So the next thing is, what do I want to put it? I think maybe I put it here on the side. Yeah, I think I will do that. So next thing is I have to get the power up here. So I will route the positive from here up here to here. This I think I just will glue on. So I put my wires up here for positive, here positive. I take this from here, negative, and then I report back. So I finished the wiring and I put the LEDs on. Yeah. So let me walk you through. So I put positive here from this cap here and I routed it up to here. I had to be careful because this thing has to fit here. Oh, I didn't try if it does. So here, yeah. On here is a positive here, and the other side I took from this cap here and I routed it up here. So yeah, on the other side, so here I installed the LED things already. I put positive here, routed it down. Yeah, I just put in a little bit of hot glue. I wanted to do it with CA glue or super glue, but yeah, this doesn't stick to these. I think it's silicone. I took the negative from here. I beeped it out. It's from here. Yeah, so it's here negative and directly here from the board. It's here, the other side of this cap. Here. And then I routed it up here. Yeah, I had to do a little bit of modification on this silicone pad here. Yeah, I cut a little bit off, yeah, but I don't think this will cause any trouble here with the button. So yeah, and now let's zoom out. Let's try it. So I didn't try it. I put it here. It's all tangled up. Yeah, I don't need this for testing. So here is this Dreamcast. Okay. And power. Yes, my power cable is here. I hope nothing blows up. So I first power on the Dreamcast. It's running. And now, fingers crossed, I put it in. Let's see. And yes, it works. That looks pretty cool. Let's put it in the shell and see what it looks like in here, and if it still fits. does. Oh yeah, this looks cool. Yeah, nice. Turn off the light. Oh yes, I like that very much. Cool, yeah. So I put it together temporarily that we can see it with the buttons in. I think I leave the restoration part out because I don't think it's very interesting. If you like to see it, then put down a comment and then I will film the restoration. So I put it quickly together and then we can try it with the game. Okay, see you in a bit. Yeah, this looks awesome. Really happy with this. So, still functionality, okay. So, this works perfectly, looks really nice. Yeah. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed trying to do this and I think it paid off. It looks much more modern now than before. Yeah, I really like these Mad Catz Dream controllers. Yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thanks very much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Again, thanks for joining me in my lab and I see you in my next video. Bye!